Today we will discuss about the branch banking system. We know there exist different types of banking system. They are branch banking system, unit banking system, mixed banking system, chain banking system, etc. are some of the important banking system that prevails all over the world. Here in this class we are going to discuss about the branch banking system. What is a branch banking system? It is a system of banking in which a bank carries on banking business through a large network of branches spread all over the country. That is, in branch banking system, it is a system of banking in which banking business will be done through a large network of branches spread all over the country. There will be a large number of branches for a bank and it will be doing the banking business in that country. That types of banking systems are known as branch banking system. Then branch banking systems simply reflect the existence of small number of big banks with branches all over the country, and it was popular in UK, Canada, Australia and India. One of the important merit of this system is that there will be huge financial resources that enables a bank to carry on its activities on a large scales. That is, if there are a large number of banks and only very few big banks, then there will be huge financial resources with them that will enable them to do their business on a large scale. And speciality of branch banking system is that the operations are large scale in nature and characterized by the presence of number of branches. That is, the operation, large scale operation will be there, and the presence. The speciality of branch banking system is that there will be large scale operations and there will be large number of branches in the spread all over the country. And some of the advantages of branch banking systems are given in the following sections. First one, large financial resources. That is, branch banking system facilitate banking operation to take place through a large number of branches, and thereby they can enjoy the advantage of large scale financial operation or large financial resources. Greater public confidence. That is, second advantage of branch banking system is that it can attain greater public confidence. First one, then that is, with huge financial and human resources and wide dispersal of branches at its command, branch banking system commands greater confidence of the general. It commands greater confidence of the general public. And third one is the risk distribution. Risk distribution means the branch banking system allows for the geographical distribution of risk. There will be large number of branches and therefore they can distribute their risk all over the branches, and it will help to reduce the danger of bank failure. Then another one is the fund transfer. If there are a large number of branches, easily we can transfer the funds across the country. Easy cash reserves. That the branch banking system with its huge network spread all over the country allows for easy management with a lower cash reserve ratio in each of its branches. That is, they can adjust the cash reserve with the other branches also. Equilibrium rate of interest. Another important advantage of the branch banking system is that it helps to bring about equality in the rate of interest. That is, this happens through the efficient and quick transfer of funds between the branches. Another advantage is the efficient use of funds, and under the system it is possible to use the efficient and proper utilization of the financial resources, and thereby it will enhance the profitability, or it can help to enhance the profitability of the banks. Another one, efficient portfolio management. That is, it provides wider scope for the selection of different types of securities and investment, and this ensure a greater degree of safety and liquidity for the bank. Then next one is greater banking facilities. Branch banking facilities facilitate setting up of banks even in smaller towns and underdeveloped areas of the country, and this will help for the easy fund facilitate the fund creation and increase the amount of facilities in all parts of the country. That is, greater banking facilities can be made possible through the branch banking system. Then effective credit control measures can also be achieved if there exists if there exists branch banking system that central bank has to deal directly with few big banks only, then the policy can be easily implemented. Then better staff training. More This system allows for the more extensive use of banking and gives better opportunities for the training of the staff. So the better staff training can be provided. And some of the demerits of the system is that it is difficult to manage. That is, if the number of branches are huge, then there will be the problem of management. Second one, head office syndrome. So head office syndrome means for each and everything, they need the sanction from the head office. It may take delay in the operation. This is the head office syndrome. And the third one is banking monopoly. That means this may create an atmosphere of banking monopoly in the country. Non-profitable branches. Another demerits of the banking system is that it may create some branches may be non-profitable, and this another one, superfluous competition. That is, in the same area there may be more than one branches, and this will create unnecessary competition among the branches, and this is another demerit. The replication of banking facility in a particular area, that is repetition of the banking facilities. Then expensive proposition. It is much more expensive to open and maintain a number of branches at different places, and therefore it is somewhat expensive also. These are some of the demerits of the branch banking system. Now, a comparison of branch banking system and unit banking system are given here. Here a comparison of the branch banking system and unit banking system is given. We know that in branch banking system there will be few big banks, a large number of branches, and unit banking system there will be one or two banks only. Here, in the case of the branch banking system, the large number of branches will be there widely spread over the area, and in the unit banking system, there will be one office or a few branches located in a particular area. Then second one is, in the case of the branch banking system, the financial resources will be huge, and in the case of the unit banking system, it will be limited. Then third one is that the branch banking system can afford highly qualified and experienced managerial staffs, and in the case of the unit banking system, they cannot afford the highly qualified and experienced managerial staffs. And in the case of branch banking system, the staffs will be highly efficient, but in the unit banking system that may not be the staffs may not be that much highly efficient. Then another difference is that in the case of the branch banking system there will be high public confidence, but in the case of the unit banking system it does not command high public confidence. And then in the case of the branch banking system, unlimited volume of business, but in the case of unit banking system, there will be a restricted volume of business. Then another difference is that the scope for bank failure will be very limited in the case of the branch banking system, but whereas in the case of the unit banking system, it will be higher. In the case of branch banking system, fund transfer will be easier, quicker, and cheaper, but whereas in the case of the unit banking system, it would take in branch banking system they can manage with a less cash reserve, but it is not possible in the case of the unit banking system. Then in branch banking system there will be equality of interest, but in the unit banking system no equality of interest may not be possible. Then efficient management of portfolio is possible under the branch banking system, but efficient management of a portfolio is not possible under the unit banking system. The branch banking system is popular in UK, USA, etc., but it is popular. Unit banking system is popular in United States. Then in the case of the branch banking system, easy credit control is possible, whereas in the unit banking system, credit control not easy because of smaller units of the banks. In the case of the branch banking system, the scope for greater banking development is possible, whereas in the case of the unit banking system, banking development is in accordance with the availability of in the development area, but in the case of unit banking system, this may not be that much possible.